But our main concern for all parents is because exams are getting over on 28th of March, and then schools are directly reopening on the 1st of April, which is a great concern because children are not going to get a break. Am I correct, parent? That's our main concern. So this is our main issue. Apart from that, she has said that she will look into it. She will discuss with the committee. They are already in discussion because since we went to the director, we've gone to the CM, we are putting this forward. Another clarity that she's clarified with us is the 9th standard exams. The main thing is now everyone was studying as 9th standard board exam, thinking they are, if the answer 9th is the main board. She's clarified that 9th is not the main board's exam, but the papers are set by board and the teachers of the school will correct it. So your main exam for 25 to 26 will be 10th standard and 12th standard. Am I correct? Yes. 10th standard and 12th standard. So parents whose children are going to the 9th standard, please note it's like a prep exam. It is not your main exam. It's a prep exam for you all to get your children ready for the 10th. Alright, so please do not stop all the extracurricular activities thinking that it's a board exam. The papers are set by the board, but it will be corrected by your class teachers. Alright, the next thing that we spoke about is mentioning that it is important that we as parents have come here today not because we are against NEP, because the notion that's going to all the department heads that we are against NEP. We are not against NEP, we are for it, but how it's being implemented. We've realized talking to the director of SCRT who handles still the 8th standard that the clarification from the top level, by the time it comes to the teachers and comes to the parents, it's like a Chinese whisper. We get totally distorted messages which are not very clear, and this is why we have come. And one thing about her is she said that anytime parents have any queries, we can go and directly address her as a PTA head and concerning. She's welcoming, but also she will make sure that she's clarifying certain pointers that we have raised. That in the circular it said from those students who are in the 8th standard moving ahead will continue it. But what about those students from 7th standards who are going into 8th standards? That circular will be clarified a little, saying that they will have the options of the foreign languages also. But from 6th standard onwards, whatever it is being followed will be the same. There won't be foreign languages that will be introduced at then, because right now at Goa board level, we've not yet introduced that. Hopefully in the near future, like how the CBSE and the other boards, they have right from 6th standard onwards foreign languages for the children. But right now for Goa board, it's from 8th standard above. She said she'll clarify that and she'll put that. So our humble request is all parents are gathered from North Goa and South Goa collectively that we are in favor of NEP, but please do consider to have the schools either postpone, give them 2 weeks of break, or please give them the whole of April month, thinking that because it's going to be very humid, we've already got circulars saying that there's going to be a very extremely heat wave that's going to be in April and May. So when we inquired about the textbooks, she said that 6 textbooks are already ready, but they are going to be set up into different distribution centers. So whether it's all Tiswadi will be one center, Bardes will be one center, the books are apparently being sent, but they will inform each centers as to when they can go and collect it. So whether it will happen on time, she said it will happen on time, but only time will tell us whether it's really going to happen.
She said books are ready.
She said books are ready, but according to what the director said, that Director of Education said e-books will be there. That's what startled us all. But to her clarification, she said that the books are ready for the 6th standard. Only collection have to be done by the representatives of the school, and hopefully it will be done soon.
सगळ्यांत पयली एक मेन क्वेरी आमकां जाय की टॅक्स्ट बुक्स ज्यो आतां सद्या CRT अवेलेबल आसा त्यो खंयच्यो आसा आनी खंयच्या सेंटरान ते कशे डिस्ट्रिब्यूट केले वतले.
आतां आमकां टॅक्स्ट बूक जे येवपाक लागले प्रिंटरा कडल्यान ते आसा ते फ्रॉम 4th स्टँडर्ड टू 8th स्टँडर्ड, आनीक हे फेजींनी डिस्ट्रिब्यूट जाता. आमी बिचोली तालुक्याच्यान स्टार्ट केला. सो प्रत्येक तालुक्याचेर आमी एक सेंटर सिलेक्ट करून थंय ते सगळे अनलोड करून घेतात बुक्स, आणि त्या सेंटरांतल्यान मागीर त्या तालुक्यांतली सगळीं स्कुलां जी आसा ती आपले आपले नंबरा प्रमाणे येवन कलेक्ट करतात. हे जे दीस आर फ्री टेक्स्ट न्ही, अप टू 8th स्टँडर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक्स आर फ्री. सो जितली स्टुडंट्स आमी तो डेटा स्कुला कडल्यान घेतात तितले नंबर ऑफ टेक्स्ट बुक प्रिंट जातात, आणि त्या प्रमाणे आतां आमकां 4 to 8 प्रिंट करून ऑलरेडी येवपाक लागले, आनी आमी डिस्ट्रिब्युशन झोनाक स्टार्ट केलें.
6th स्टँडर्डचो न्यू बूक हितून आसा इनवॉल्व.
6th स्टँडर्डाचे न्यू बुक्सूय बी हातून इनवॉल्ड आसा, इन्क्लुडेड आसा.
सेकंडली एक मेन क्वेश्चन की आता जे टायमींग दवरला भुरग्यांचे एप्रिलाच्यान जे क्लासीस आसा ते 10 टू 11 अशें धरला.
हम्म.
पूण IMTन हालींच 3 दीस आमचे येलो अलर्ट सांगलेलो एप्रिलान हेच्याकून चड हीट आसतली. सो त्या खातीर तुमी कितें प्रिकॉशन घेतले की स्कुलान सांगतले कितें प्रिकॉशन घेतले?
पळय, एप्रिलान जेन्ना एकाडेमीक इयर दवरपाचें ठरताले तेन्ना सुद्दां हो एक कन्सर्न आशिल्लो आनी म्हणूनच डिसिजन जालें की 11:30 पर्यंतच दवरपाचें स्कूल. आनी हाच्या पयलीं सुद्दां आमी जर फाटल्या वर्सांनी पळयत जेन्ना पावस चड जालो, गरमी हीट वेव आयली, तेन्ना डिपार्टमेंटान डायरेक्टरान स्कुलाक दिल्ले आसा डायरेक्शन्स की बेगीन सोडा किंवा आपय नाका, हॉलिडे दिल्ली आसा. इट इज नॉट दॅट वी आर इनसेन्सिटीव टुवर्ड्स दीस थिंग. सो जशें जशें तसो विशय येतलो तेन्ना वी वील टेक डिसिजन्स आनी इट वूड बी इन बेटरमेंट एंड इन फेवर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स. कितें जे करतली, जे डिसिजन जातली, आतां गरमी आसा, पावस आसा जाल्यार ताजेर त्या टायमार डिसिजन घेतली.